Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Be sure and click the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. I'll be putting out every week. I'm going to do my face makeup today. I'm going to start with doing a foundation routine. I've already concealed my under eye circles, and here under my eyes this comes in a few different shades, but I like to use the lighter pink ones to kind of conceal those bags, and it works really well. I'll link where to find this. And I have a video about that I can link so you can see that as well. I also started with a primer, washed, moisturized, dried, all that. And then always put on a primer before you start, just to give your makeup something to hold on to. Alright, but I'm going to just start by using this liquid foundation. Shake it up. And this one is pretty cool. It has an little eyedropper. So you can put it either straight onto your face and do it that way, just a few dots, or if you want you can put a couple dots on the brush, and I use the Kabuki brush, which is a must-have, but you just kind of get in there and blend. And this foundation smells really good. It just has a really natural, mineral-y kind of smell, and it's natural, mineral based, and so I really, really like it. Okay, and it feels just super smooth. It has kind of a powdery finish. It's great. So now I'm gonna come in with a little bit of blush. Just put a little bit on the cheekbone. This is kind of a rosy pink, but you could do whatever color you prefer. Okay. And then I'm going to come in with this fan brush and highlight just above that. And then we're going to set it all with some powder. Super fast, super easy. Quick foundation routine, doesn't have to take all day. If you want to contour, you can add that into it, but that takes extra time. But if you're in a hurry, it's a super quick way to do it. The Kabuki brush makes all the difference because it blends super quick, gets everything nice and smooth and flawless, and then you're ready to go.